try.
Come on, Hugh. Break, 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 break. Break, break, break. Break. Oh, it's too heavy, it's too deep. Come on.
Good job.
I piled it on good. You're stuck. There you go. Dig yourself up. Yeah, dig out, break out. I see. Oh, there you go. Yay!
Yay! You did it! These guys have been playing for hours each day that we've come to the beach. They absolutely love it here. The sand is so soft and the sun is so nice. At least an hour. That's a good deal. Oh no, the water! And they are obsessed with this beach, hey? I'm sad to leave it in a couple days. Tomorrow I think we're doing a big day trip out to Bana Hills. So we won't be here, and then the next morning it's an early flight to Hanoi. A little bit of a different vibe in the city. Yeah. And then out there way in the distance, way out there is Huey and Daddy trying to get used to the water. So sad to be leaving this beach, even though the city of Danang may not have been our favorite. Having access to this beautiful 20-mile beach has been super unreal. Really picture perfect. And it's technically rainy season. We haven't had one single rainy day the entire time we've been here, so it's hard to complain. And it was forecasted to rain the entire week. So, few, I guess, honest truths about Danang. As much as we love the beach, it's so beautiful, we both kind of agree that the city is maybe 5-10 years away from really big tourist hotspots. So what we're seeing is a lot of construction. They're really working on building up that infrastructure right now. So big hotels, more westernized restaurants, some shopping districts. But as is right now, the amenities aren't huge. And our kitchen at our Airbnb isn't really well equipped to actually cook a meal. So we've been struggling to find food while we've been here. Mostly because the kids are picky eaters, even though we push them to eat everything, and I don't eat meat. So it's a bit of a struggle to find meat-free things that the kids are willing to eat. But that's not to dissuade anybody from coming to check out Danang. It is really stunning. There's so much to do in the area, but be prepared to have to look a little bit harder for things. It's not as readily accessible as a more tourist built up hub like Ho Chi Minh or even Hoi An, where we were yesterday, which is literally built for tourists. It doesn't even seem real. And then, you know, Bana Hills. So there are huge tourist attractions around the city. It's really developed around the city, but not necessarily hugely developed in Danang yet. And if that's something that you're looking for, a little bit more off the beaten track, then that's great. And we like that. It's quiet. This beach is pretty much empty all the time, but pros and cons. So just something to think about if you are planning on coming to Danang. But then, you know, you get this beach. on his face? That couldn't be Huey. That couldn't be my Hugh. Hugh! Is it nice water?
Do you like the waves? You see waves?
Yeah, waves. Here comes a wave.
Oh,
Jump, jump.
Wave to everybody.
Say hi.
He likes two hands.
He likes two hands. Huey is a very cautious ocean swimmer. Oh, good jumping.
Good jumping.
Nice. This is the biggest progress we have seen. I think from now on we just need to get him in, get him comfortable, and encourage him a lot more. We've been letting him be lazy in the shade playing with the sand, which is also fine, but you know, it's nice to enjoy it.
Water's fun.
Water's great.
Jump. Whoa, good jump.
Nice,
Like
Hugh.
sweeping him away, he's so light.
Yeah. Oh,
Like, even in like super shallow water, it's washing him away. Wait till it comes. Ready? Here it comes. Here it goes. Go.
yeah.
Were we deep? Did we go in the big waves? Yeah.
Wow.
Did you drink any water? Is it yummy or is it yucky? Yummy!
Yummy water.
Careful.
There he goes.
Whoa!
Oh.
I can't see what's coming.
Another little Elliot fish to join the club.
Oh!
There he goes.
Come back and find him. You come back.
Huey. Well, as soon as Dad had no hands on him, he was out pretty quick. Go in the water. Go, go, go. Go get him. Go get Daddy. Go get him. Go get Daddy's hand. Go get him.
Come on, jump over the waves. Jump, jump, jump. Jump over the next wave.
So we are eating lunch at Apocalypse Now.
Very appropriate Vietnam restaurant.
Well, we couldn't decide if it was appropriate or inappropriate,
It's on the beach.
borderline inappropriate, but it is a day club on the beach and then a huge nightclub at night. But look at these ridiculous views. I mean, we're literally on the beach. No complaints here. Eating lunch, beautiful view, breeze off the water. It's awesome. Yeah.
It was a good day.
You dancing?
Even though we didn't get as much beach time today,
Still good.
it was still cool to go up and see Lady Buddha and the pagoda.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Love those dance moves. That's a happy beach girl dance move. Yeah! Alright. Time for some lunch. It's pretty amazing to be able to be in Vietnam on the beach with the kids, enjoying our surroundings, doing, you know, some educational stuff with them and teaching them about the culture and the area. But then also to be able to have relaxing days like this where we sit in the sun and the sand and just enjoy some time together as a family, which is really the most important part of this trip. And we were able to get both those things done this morning by going to see the Lady Buddha and the temple and then hanging out at the beach. So it's pretty much the best of both worlds. It's very nice. Everybody's got their dance moves on. Sid's going. I like it. I like it. Henry's over here doing his thing.
Maybe Daddy's doing his thing.
Daddy can't take himself seriously. Nice, nice. Little shoulder action. Sid's feeling it. Awesome. What are you finding, baby? You see, let me see. Show me. Seashell collecting. Wow. You're collecting more? Okay, you keep finding them. Look at how many. They all washed up onto the beach overnight, hey? Yeah, are you gonna clean the whole beach? All of them? How many do you have? Let's see. Let's see. Wow. So many. This will keep him entertained for hours. He is so happy with the bucket and a whole bunch of seashells. Just shows you kids don't necessarily need all the things that we think they need. There's so many. There were a bunch of seashells that washed up onto the shore overnight, and Hugh is taking it upon himself to clean up the beach, pick up all the seashells today.
Stop moving.
His crew is so obsessed with being buried in the sand. Look at his little belly making everything crack. Okay, Henry, you gotta be next. You gotta be next in there. You gotta be on the other side. You don't want to be in there?
It'll be funny.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, okay, Henry's gonna lay on this side. Okay, come on, Dad, hurry up.
Okay, Henry, move all the way over to Sydney. Go over close.
Okay, stay close and then head up. How fast can Dad bury Henry? Three little Elliot's. All stuck in the sand. Ooh, Henry. You gave him the hot sand from the sun, Dad.
Your hand's okay, Hugh.
Okay.
Here it goes.
Okay, everybody in? It's like you're tucked in. Okay, let me come around you, Dad. I can't get around you.
Stop moving, everybody stop moving.
Wow! 3 little monkeys.
Three-headed kid.
Look at you, crazy human.
Don't move yet, Hugh, don't move yet.
Wow. Oh my gosh, are you going to be able to get out or are you stuck?
Henry, don't move.
I'm kind of stuck. The boys have to get over.
Oh yeah, I guess the boys are on your arms, aren't they? Look at these 3. The 3 muchachos. Are you? So cool.
Hey, Mommy, lay down beside Henry.
No, thank you. Okay, are you guys going to break out one at a time? Okay, Huey, you come out. Close your eyes when you come out, though, okay? Close your eyes, buddy. Close your eyes. Good job. Okay, no, Hugh. Gentle. Okay, now Henry's turn to come out. Okay, Sydney, you go out.
Sydney's last. She was first.
Yeah. Okay, come on, Henry. Dad can bury you again. Come out so Sydney can get out. Okay, Sid, come out.
I'm stuck.
Whoa, look at that sandy body.
I'm literally stuck.
Nice. Nice. And then Henry. Oh, look at that shake off.
No, don't go crazy.
Okay. Go.
Okay, now let's go up in the water.
Wait. Doing yoga. Say it, Huey.
Yeah, do yoga, Hugh.
What are you doing, Huey? I can't hear you. What are you doing? Yoga. This is how you do it in Vietnam. We got a little lunch on the beach because we didn't want to leave this beautiful spot. So Dave took a scooter, grab bike, to Da Vinci's Pizza, which is supposed to have the best pizza in town. And I know we're eating pizza in Vietnam, but you know, children. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. These guys are pretty happy. Pizza on the beach, yeah? Yeah. Be grumpy. Why are you grumpy? Henry. Are you grumpy because we have to go? Don't throw sand at me, please. Don't be sad. We'll go to lots of beaches. This is a sad boy because we have to leave Danang Beach. We have to say goodbye to our beloved My Khe. What he doesn't realize is that some of the best beaches in the world are also coming up. Oh, there he goes.